So in a previous video, you know that I created these two incredible textured panels, which was so much fun. They look amazing, but I wanted to test the boundaries. I was worried I was going to ruin all my hard work, but I was just so curious to try these two products, so I did it anyway. So today we are going to ask a massive question. What actually happens when you put green patina on the copper and black patina on gold leaf? Is it going to look like a masterpiece or a total mess? This is my very first time trying these patinas, and the results did surprise me. So let's dive in. These patinas I bought from Goldleaf Supplies in the UK. There are various other patinas available online, but I haven't tested them. But I chose the black because I thought it would look very dramatic against the gold. And it's actually incredibly easy to use. You just use a brush of your liking, have an experiment, depending on how textured your piece is. And you can just dip it straight into the bottle and brush away, and then use a soft cloth to wipe, if you feel it's getting too darkened. I personally don't think I wiped enough, but I love an experiment. This whole process of experimentation has been really rewarding because often, with my art, I'm very particular and I can get a little bit detail orientated. And it was fun to just make something just to see what happened. And even though the perfectionist in me is screaming, but she is being overridden by the Louise who's saying, come on, let's test these things, and then you can develop it and make something that you really do love. But let's see how the process turns out with this gorgeous green on the copper. Something really important I want to point out to you about these products is that they act as a sealant once they are dry, so they will protect your gold leaf work from oxidizing in the future. So you don't need to go and apply one of our usual varnishes or sealants, and also you can just clean your brushes with warm soapy water, so it's actually pretty easy. So there we have it. We have our green on copper and black on gold. Don't entirely love them at the moment, I have to say, but I have enjoyed the process and it's my first time experimenting. So actually, you know what? I would love to hear from you in the comments if you have opinions on which one you think is best or if it's all hideous. And maybe you've got some tips for me using patinas on gold. But I can tell you something, the experiments will continue. So please join me for more golden experiments coming up, and hit the subscribe button, that would be amazing. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon.